Hello all, I'm gonna introduce a tool that's gonna make developer life much easier. The multi-model code generator lets you test prompts across OpenAI, Gemini, and Groq in one platform. Let's pick a technology. Whether it's NodeJS, Python, Java, or C++, you're covered. Enter your coding challenge. The more detailed, the better your AI responses will be. Choose which AI providers you want to compare: OpenAI, Gemini, and Groq. Control creativity and response size with temperature and token limits. Keep it precise or let it go wild. Now, watch the magic happen as your prompt gets processed across multiple models simultaneously. Side-by-side comparison of code from OpenAI and Gemini. See how each model tackles the same challenge. Spot differences. Find the code that fits your needs. Thank you for using Quado.dev. Explore more tools at Quado.dev.